Today we're going to be doing Squishy Collection. Anyways, let's get started. Okay, Squishy Collection. Hold on.
You live here. Oh, right.
Turning the TV down. I'm going to stand up. Oh, look at my pet bird. Let me show you my pet bird. Ow. This is Kevin, if you can see him. She's a pretty bird. So, her squishy is this little emoji ball. Yay. We got this defected French fry. We got this ice cream.
Don't feel bad. You didn't use me yesterday either.
A cake. A really defective cake.
I am anxious to look good and make a strong first impression as I share my singing skills with the famed Bikini Bottom Men's Chorus.
An ice cream.
But I needn't be too anxious, for once they hear this master's voice, they'll give me the
Another ice cream. Two more squishies. Sorry, I'm really on your nose. This football. This defect and this ice cream. With the concatenables.
Depressed. Oh, what a lovely day for me!
Yeah. So that's my squishy collection. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below, like it, and this was actually my first video because I deleted all my other videos because I did not like them and they were just bad, so I deleted them. So